Hey there! Having trouble with call waiting on your iPhone? It's super annoying when you cannot handle multiple calls at once. Don't worry, I've got some easy fixes for you to try. Let's get your call waiting sorted out so you can manage your calls without a hitch. Solution 1. Check carrier settings. Open the Settings app. Tap on General. Then tap on About. After that, if there is an update available for carrier settings, you'll see a prompt to update. Follow the instructions to update your carrier settings. Now, test call waiting to see if the problem is fixed. Solution 2. Turn off restrictions. First, open the Settings app. Next, scroll down a bit. Then, tap on Screen Time. After that, scroll down again. Now, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then, toggle this feature off. Next, restart your iPhone. Finally, check if the issue is resolved. Solution 3. Eject and reinsert your SIM card. Try ejecting your SIM card from your device. Wait a few moments. After that, insert your SIM card back into your iPhone. Now, check if the issue is resolved. If you're still having trouble, follow the next solution. Solution 4. Check call waiting settings in the phone app. Open the Settings app. Then scroll down and tap on Phone. Next, find Call Waiting. Now make sure the switch is turned on. If it's already on, try toggling it off and then back on. Solution 5. Reset network settings. Open the Settings app. After that, tap on General. Then scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, tap on Reset. Choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode if prompted and confirm the reset. Finally, make a test call to see if call waiting is now working. And that's it! That's how you can fix call waiting issues on your iPhone. If you have any questions or run into any other problems, just drop a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips and tricks.